In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Phantom wallet, one of the most popular digital wallets available today. Although Phantom Wallet is a free, convenient solution for managing your cryptocurrency, it's important to take the necessary precautions to protect your assets because one mistake could, unfortunately, cost you everything. Once you create your wallet, Phantom will display a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is vitally important because it acts as the master key to your wallet. It's essential to handle this recovery phrase with the utmost care and security. Whatever you do, do not take a screenshot of it. While this might seem like an easy way to store it for future reference, it's not safe. Screenshots can be easily hacked, accessed by malicious software, or even inadvertently uploaded to the cloud, putting your assets at risk. Similarly, refrain from saving this recovery phrase in your Notes app, text files, or anywhere else on your devices. Digital storage solutions can be convenient, but they are also susceptible to cyber threats, including malware and unauthorized access. Instead, take the extra precautionary step of writing the recovery phrase down offline. Use a pen and paper, ensuring everything is legible, and double-check it to avoid any errors. Once you've written it down, it's crucial to store this information securely. Consider keeping your written recovery phrase in a safety deposit box or a safe, ensuring that it's protected from both theft and damage. Additionally, avoid sharing it with anyone. The more people who know your recovery phrase, the more vulnerable it becomes. Direct access to this phrase gives complete control over your digital assets, so safeguard it like gold. Keep in mind, losing this recovery phrase means losing access to your entire wallet. There is no customer service or helpline to call to regain access. The security of your wallet and the assets within it are entirely in your hands. Make duplicates of your recovery phrase if necessary, and store them in different secure locations in case one is lost or destroyed. This careful attention to security can prevent potential disasters